Well, I'm here at the Purdue campus and getting ready to go to a meats workshop where we're going to talk about, or they will show us about beef quality grades and yield grades, and then we're going to watch that carcass get cut up into the primal cuts. So this should be an interesting day, and I'll see what kind of filming I can do. This is the Land O'Lakes Pavilion where they'll bring livestock in and judging teams, etc. You can see they've got big overhead doors to bring the animals in. It's not open yet, but inside there's where the processing plant is, where they'll bring the animals in to be processed. So, pretty good sized building. Well, it's my 7:30 feeding, and as you can tell, I've got my calf switched to a bucket, which is a heck of a lot easier than standing here with the bottle, and so it makes things a little bit easier and quicker, to be honest. It's been I'll just tell you, it's been a busy few days for me. On Monday, I spent the day at the Purdue University Animal Science Building and did some studies of carcass yield grades and quality grades, and then they went back and we saw the carcasses. Then Tuesday, I spent the day in Indianapolis at the Indiana Beef Cattle Association headquarters as part of a promotions committee, and turned around and headed that direction again today, and participated in the strategic plan, and so that was certainly an interesting meeting, and also set in on interviews for the interns that we'll have for this summer. So that certainly has kept me busy. It's raining outside here right now in this part of the country, and if you saw my Facebook post earlier about what's happening out west with the bad weather and cold weather they're getting, and just pray for those folks out there. Just going to take a quick little video group of the goats, and these goats are all available, and I'll be posting some pictures and stuff later, but you can see there's wethers and little dolings that hopefully somebody will own at some point in time. So that's kind of the update here, and I guess this is what I look like at my evening feeding, and I'll be out here in the barn in the morning at probably anywhere between 6:30 and 7:30 to give this little gal her morning bottle. And so I think I got about 6 more weeks to go of this process, and she's drinking 2 quarts every feeding, and you can always tell when she gets full because she'll start, as you can see, playing around, and that's just part of it.